Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural. And before we get started, I have my hair in these twists and the shrinkage is real, let me tell you. I have been a little scissor happy though, so I'm working on putting the scissors down and just letting my hair flourish, but really focusing on my ends. So if you haven't seen my most recent natural hair video, I'll be sure to put the card up here so that you can go check that out, and you'll see what products I'm using now and like what I'm doing to really ensure that my hair is staying healthy and happy. So I love these videos because I could just explain to you my real thoughts on on the products I bought, and then it's more things. Obviously not everyone wants to save money, but at least you'll know for the next time you want to purchase something, you're not sure what to buy, and then you're in a similar situation as me, or maybe you can relate to something in this video. That's really why I love doing these videos. But I do want to know if you love these videos. So this is going to be my April favorites video. I have January, February, March, April. I'm on a roll, and I may not buy something new every month, but I will show you the products or the things that I'm using that month that are just like a few of my favorites. I only do 5 right now. If you want me to do more, be sure to leave a comment down below. If you like these videos, be sure to give them a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and let's get right into the video. So I usually start with a skin, makeup, or some type of beauty product, hair product, but today I'm going to do the opposite. I recently bought this shirt from Boohoo, and if you haven't already, be sure to go check out my spring Boohoo haul, and that's where I show you what this shirt looks like on. But I love this shirt because of the material. I love the pattern, and when I'm wearing it, it's just so airy and perfect for the spring. It's just like the perfect shirt, and it has a collar on it, which I love, and then it's also long enough that you can tuck it in or wear it out. It really just depends on what you want. And the reason why I love that so much is because in the spring and the summer, I just want to be able to throw on something cute, flowy, perfect for any occasion, and then get on with my day. I don't want to have to focus on it too much, so I really try to buy clothes that I could do that with, and this is one of them. Like I said, this is perfect for every occasion. Okay, airy, it's like a silk material, and all the additional information to this shirt is actually in the spring Boohoo haul video that I was telling you about, and so I'll be sure to also link that card here and leave it in the description below. Now that we're done with that, the other products, I do have a few skin products and makeup products, so I'll start there. The first product I'm going to be talking about is, so this is a Kiehl's product. It's a blue herbal spot treatment. So this product is meant to act on affected areas to help clear acne, blemishes, blackheads, and whiteheads, and then the skin appears and feels more comfortable over time. I've been using this for about 2 weeks now, and I love it. I have a little bit more spot or dark spots in this area, so I've been using it there 2 times a day. So right after I wash my face, I'll put this on. It says that if you need, it says use it 2 times daily, 2 to 3 times daily, and then decrease if it makes your skin more drier than usual. I have not had that issue, so I've been using this 2 times a day, and that's just like the perfect amount. So what I'll do is take a little layer, put it on my face, and I'll put it mainly on the areas that I have a dark spot, and then also on the blackhead areas, and I'm already seeing improvement. While we're talking about skin or face products, the next product I'm gonna talk about is a makeup product. So this is a Graftobian palette. I actually have a whole video too on this palette, and it shows you how to get this really pretty bronzy look. And the one thing I'm most excited about with this palette is that it's going to be perfect for every occasion. They do have different shades of palettes, but I'm super excited because you really don't need a lot of the product to achieve the look that you're going for. And I really think that I can use a lot of this when I'm doing photo shoots, which is huge. And I think when I'm doing like bridal or a different special occasion, I can use this in combination with some other either like mattifying foundation or something like that, just so it's not like super oily. I would say when I did use this palette for that look, I was going for a more bronze dewy look, so it was perfect for that. But you can obviously use powders to mattify the product on your skin. This is a little bit more on the more expensive side. I also got this from Camera Ready Cosmetics. And so, like I said, it was the perfect addition to my kit, and they do have different shade ranges of palettes. The next two things I'm going to talk about are more for me organizing as I advance in my career of a hair and makeup artist. I just need to be as organized as possible because it's really key. And so the one thing I'm going to talk about, don't look at the things in this, but this container right here has saved my life. So before I had this container, so this is a container from Amazon, and it's just like a plastic container. It's really sturdy, has a zipper, perfect to fit in my kit. So before I was using these, I would actually use like 2 old makeup bags I had, and then I would use like sandwich bags or the really big gallon bags to put all my products in. And this has just changed my life. Like, I feel like I have so much more space in my kit. I'm so much more organized, and it's just like the perfect addition. So I got this from Amazon, and I believe that 5 came in a pack, and it was not expensive at all. They do have a wide variety of other clear cases that you can use, but this one's perfect. So I mean, I'm using it for my makeup kit, but if you want to use it as a makeup bag when you're traveling, I think it'll be perfect for that as well. And then I think with it being clear, it just has more of, it's just better because then you can use it for other things outside of just makeup. And I'm pretty sure I'll be purchasing more. The last thing, or my last favorite I'm going to be talking about today in this video, is this makeup bag. As I advance in my career, I'm learning that less is more. So meaning like I don't need to take every single thing in my kit every time. Maybe if I'm doing like bridal or multiple clients that I do not know necessarily what they look like or what they want, then maybe I'll bring a little bit more. But I'm realizing that I don't need to bring every single thing every single time. Like, it's good to have like a large kit and then downsize when you need to. And so this bag is perfect for that. Like, let's say I have a quick photo shoot, throw everything I need in here and then be able to find what I need because it's clear, it's sturdy. And I thought about using it once because right now I have like a little mini suitcase that I use, that I carry around with me just because it's easier. But this is perfect if I'm doing like one person. I know exactly what they look like. And it's all about making sure you have at least one product that you need. So a moisturizer, a prep. Like, you don't need a whole bunch of things, and you don't need everything every single time. So I'm super excited to try out this bag. This bag is actually from BH Cosmetics. I got it on sale, and I was super excited to try it because I had been looking for a clear bag just to take with me. I hadn't seen one on Amazon, so I was super excited when I saw this on the website. Well, those are my top 5 favorite things of the month for the month of April. I can't believe how fast time is flying. Next thing you know, I'm going to be doing my May video, and you don't want to miss out on it. So be sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below if you like these. I really need to know if I should continue to do them. The reason why I started them is because at the end of the year 2018, I did a huge like what I was taking with me in 2019, and then I'm like, I use so many products throughout the year that it's so worth it to share with you all those products, all my favorites, and then hopefully they'll be helpful to you in some type of way. So be sure to leave a comment down below if you like these videos, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm also interested to know more about what you want from me. As I said, I am a hair and makeup artist. As you can see right now, I do not have on a full face, but I do have multiple makeup videos. And if you are in the Denver area and you would like to book with me, check the description down below and I have the link to my website where you can see all my clients, and then you can see hair and makeup that I've done in the past. Okay, that's all for now. I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!